him, buddy. Yeah. Yeah. What are you doing? You get those toys. Tell him stop hitting me in the face. Tell him. Get him, Gus. Yeah. Oh, sleepy. It's about time for a nap, isn't it? Get out of my face, elephant. Yeah, move him. Oh, you almost grabbed it. You almost grabbed it. Yeah. Yeah. Keep hitting it.